friends, thank you for joining me in today's presentation. We are looking at this Harvard University admission tricks. We are asked to find the value of K. What will be the value of K that will satisfy this both the left hand side and the right hand side? We are asked to solve for K. Let's look at how we can solve this together. Let's write out the solution. That's the first thing to do. We have square root of k, square root of k, square root of k equals to 128. The first thing to remove this first square root, we square both sides because square root is the same thing as half. And to remove this half, we take the reciprocal of 1 over 2, which is 2. So, first thing to do, we square both sides. Let's square both sides and see what we'll have. We square both sides. This square root, this square will take care of this square root, be left with k root k, then root k will now be equals to 128 all square. That's the first thing to do. Next, to remove this other square root, we do the same. We do the same, meaning we square both sides as well. We square both sides, okay? We square both sides like this. Okay, uh, this square will take care of this square root. We'll be left with k, this k now, but this square now will affect this k. Will have k square. Then this square will take care of this. We'll be left with k root k, and this will now be equals to 128. We apply power law of indices. 2 times 2, that will be 4. From if we have a power m all in power n, this is the same thing as a power m times n, power law of indices. To remove the last square root, we do the same. Okay, that's we square both sides now. At this point, we still square both sides. K square power 2, that will be k power 4. That's 2 times 2 is 4 times k square. This k now will carry this square, that will be k square. Then this will take care of this. We are left with k. This will now be equals to 128. 4 times 2 using this power law now will be 8. This is power 1. We can apply multiplication law of indices. The base are the same, we add the power. This will be k. 4 plus 2 plus 1 will be equals to 128 power 8. Very important. Next now, we can solve this. That will be k power what? Power 7 will now be equals to 128 power 8. 128 power 8, 128 is the same as 64 is equals to 2 power 6. 128 will be 2 power 7. Okay, yes, 2 power 7. 128 is the same as 2 power 7. So this will be k power 7 will be equals to, in place of this 128, we'll replace 2 power 7 multiplied by this 8. Very important. So to find k now, we find the reciprocal of 7. That's 1 over 7. So we take 1 over 7, we raise both sides to 1 over 7. So this will be k power 7 times 1 over 7 will be equals to 2 power 7 times 8 times 1 over 7. This will divide this, we're left with k equals to 7 here, 1, we're left with 2 power 8. K now will be 2 power 8 will be 256. So the value of k is 256. Let's see whether it is true. If we substitute back the value of k into this left hand side, will our answer be equals to 128? Let's see. This is what we have from day 1. So let's click here to check. To check now, let's plug the k back, the value of k now. This will be 256, root 256, then root 256. Will it be equals to 128? Let's see. This 256, we can write it as 2 power 8 roots 2 power 8 then root 2 power 8. Will it be equals to 128? We're trying to check now. Let's start from inside out now. We can take the square root of these 2 power 8. This will now be the square root of 2 power 8 root 2 power 8 times, when we take the square root of this, it will be 2 power 8 times a half. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. That will be 2 power 4. Next, we do the same. We work on this inside square root and see what we'll have. Okay, let's clean here. Next now it will be the square root of 2 power 8 times, we apply multiplication law of indices here. We can add the power now. That will be root 2, 8 plus 4, that's 12. We take the square root now. This will be root 2 power 8 times 2 power 12, all square root means 2 power 12 times a half. This 2 here 1, 2 here 6. That will be 2 power 6. Okay? Let's add what we have now under the square root. This will be 2 square root of 2 power 8 plus 6. That will be 14. Root 2 power 14 is the same as 2 power 14 times a half using power law now. I hope we are together. By the way, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please subscribe to TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Let's continue. This will now be equals to 2 here 1, 2 here 7. 2 power 7 is nothing but 256. 128 rather, 128. 2 power 7 is 128. So truly, the value of k is nothing but 256 because the left hand side and the right hand side agreed. 128, 128. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues, and you can share this to people around you. And in my next video, I will look at more questions from this Harvard University admission.